What if the key to conquering diseases lay in the power of early detection? The first MRI scanner, known as Indomitable, gave us a glimpse into the human body like never before. However, it was a cumbersome machine that took several hours to produce a single image, and the image quality, by today's standards, was quite rudimentary. Fast forward to the mid-80s when MRI technology took a leap forward. The introduction of the 1.5 Tesla MRI scanner heralded a new era in medical imaging. It was faster, more precise, and offered a much clearer image than its predecessor. For the first time, doctors could see soft tissues and organs in high resolution, allowing for more accurate diagnoses. As we moved into the 21st century, MRI technology continued to evolve and improve. The 3 Tesla MRI scanner, introduced in the early 2000s, brought about a revolution in medical imaging. It offered twice the signal-to-noise ratio of the 1.5 Tesla scanner, which meant even clearer images and shorter scanning times. But the evolution of MRI technology didn't stop there. The 7 Tesla scanner, introduced in the late 2000s, and the 11.7 Tesla scanner, introduced in 2017, again pushed the boundaries of what was possible. These high-field scanners provide unprecedented detail, making it possible to visualize minute structures within the body that were previously unseen. Today, the use of high-field MRI scanners has opened up new frontiers in medical imaging. They are shedding light on neurological issues, contributing to our understanding of lymphoma and cancer, and highlighting the importance of early detection. A case in point, multiple sclerosis. With multiple sclerosis, there are many issues and lesions are often closely monitored. As was previously found, these lesions can be closely related to higher pressure issues, as can result with C1, C2 rotations in the neck area. That same rotation and compression usually involves the internal jugular veins, and as high-resolution imaging shows, the vagus nerve is also often compressed as well. They are all wrapped together in a structure known as the carotid sheath. That same rotation and compression usually involves the internal jugular veins, and as high-resolution imaging shows, the vagus nerve is also often compressed as well. They are all wrapped together in a structure known as the carotid sheath. The internal jugular veins being compressed can cause drainage issues and result in higher fluid pressures, a possible cause of the lesions, and the compression of the vagus nerve can lead to an overactive autoimmune system response, causing demyelination of nerves, so the issues can be very relevant, and now easier to see and understand. That's a brief introduction to just how relevant this move forward in imaging technology can be for research though. Now research which often was measured in centuries is being measured in decades, as with the brain drainage systems like the glymphatic system, which was first documented around 1805 and now since 2010, getting a lot of attention, mostly due to high-resolution imaging advances. That's a brief introduction to just how relevant this move forward in imaging technology can be for research though. Now research which often was measured in centuries is being measured in decades, as with the brain drainage systems like the glymphatic system, which was first documented around 1805 and now since 2010, getting a lot of attention, mostly due to high-resolution imaging advances. With the advent of higher resolution imaging becoming available and often at very reasonable costs, comparable to the cost of lower resolution imaging in many areas, more access can hopefully lead to more research. This is something hopefully we can all support. This is just an example of private interesting preliminary research on these topics. Of course all of these findings will require many years of research, but still, technology is improving our understandings and that should lead to improvements in the fight against disease. Please like and subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications to be informed of when we release more videos, and please leave us feedback as this is all new territory for everyone involved.